Today is 9th of August and it's Women's Day. And everybody is celebrating Women's Day. Maybe you wake up this morning and you got breakfast in bed. Maybe someone gave you a little flower and say, thank you, I appreciate you. Maybe your husband is going to take you out to dinner or lunch for Women's Day. Maybe your children is surprising you. Or maybe they're going to make a picnic for you, or you getting all these little videos saying it's Women's Day, you are a woman, thank you for being a woman. But inside, you feel like the whole world is pressuring down on you. Maybe your marriage is falling apart. Maybe you are ill. Maybe one of your children are ill. Maybe you're fighting with a family member. Maybe your finances is down on you. Maybe you feel that nobody appreciates you. Maybe you feel unloved. Maybe you're sad today. A few months back, someone suggested that I must start a little gratitude book. And this is mine. Thank you. And every day in the morning when I wake up, I say thank you for 5 little things. Thank you for another day. Thank you that I'm healthy today. Thank you that I can hear the birds in the trees. Thank you that I've got food to eat. Thank you for my house that I can stay in. Write down 5 or 10 little things to be thankful for that morning. And maybe in the evening before you go to sleep, you can write down another 5 things that happened to you that day that was good, that made you feel good. Ladies, start this and see how your life is going to change. Because in 3 months' time, you're going to take this little book and you are going to open it, and then you will see how many blessings is in your book. It's more than the little things that is stealing your joy. Remember, you are a child of God. Remember, you are a princess. Remember, He made you in His image. So every morning, write down and say, thank you, Lord, for 5 or 10 little things, and see how your life is going to change. I'm going to put on a video each Sunday and every Tuesday. So you are welcome to subscribe and come sit with me and just be woman of God. Enjoy your day and have a great Women's Day. Remember, always look above, and you are enough.